In our previous video, we have explained how to solve questions with product rule and chain rule. In this video, we shall be looking at solution to some questions that need both product rule and chain rule. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates. If we are asked to find the y dx and y is equal to cos x squared exponential x. To solve this, we can assume this part, which is x squared exponential x, to be m. Let m equal to x squared exponential x. Then our original question will be cos m. Therefore, the m will be equal to minus sine m, and this is equal to minus sine x squared exponential x. To differentiate m, we are going to use product rule, and product rule is the m dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Let's assume u. Let u be equal to x squared. Du dx is equal to 2x. And let v be equal to exponential x. The v dx is same thing as exponential x. Substituting this into this equation, we have that the m dx is equal to u is x squared. Du dx, dv dx is exponential x plus v is exponential x. Du dx is 2x. Therefore, this is equal to x squared exponential x plus 2x exponential x. We can decide to factor out some things, and this is equal to x exponential x. This expression divided by x exponential x will give me x, and this divided by x exponential x will be 2. So this is our dm dx. Our original question is y is equal to cos x squared exponential x. We have assumed this part to be m, and if we assume this to be m, we'll be having y to be equal to cos n. And to solve this, we are going to use chain rule, which is dy dx is equal to dy dm multiplied by dm dx. We have gotten our dm dx to be this, and dy dm to be this expression. So substituting the y, the m, and the m, the x, we'll be having this is equal to the y, the m is minus sine x squared exponential x multiplied by the m, the x is x exponential x plus 2. So our final answer would be x exponential x plus 2 sine, this is minus sine x squared exponential x. Consider this example. If y is equal to cos 3x sine 1 minus x, we are asked to find the y dx. To solve this, we are going to use product rule. Let's call cos 3x u and let's call sine 1 minus x v. And the product rule formula is dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Now it's left for us to find the v dx and du dx. So if let u be equal to cos 3x and du dx, for us to solve this, we have to make some assumption too, because this is a function of a function, chain rule. We can say let m be 3x, but for us to solve this, that is du dx will be equal to du dm multiplied by dm dx. Therefore, let m, we assume m to be 3x, then dm dx will be equal to differentiation of 3x is 3. And our original question, which is u cos 3x, will be u cos, u is equal to cos m. Then du dm is equal to minus sine m, which is same thing as minus sine 3x. This implies that du dx is equal to du dm is 3 multiplied by dm dx is minus sine 3x minus sine 3x, and this would be equal to minus 3 sine 3x. At this point, we know du dx, we know what v stands for and u stands for. So it's left for us to find dv dx. And remember, we assume v to be sine x into 1 minus x, sine 1 minus x. if v is equal to sine 1 minus x, to solve this, we'll be using chain rule. And let's assume this part to be f. So let 1 minus x be f. That's f is equal to 1 minus x. To solve this, the chain rule will be dv dx is equal to dv df multiplied by df dx. So from here, we can say that df dx is equal to differentiation of a constant is 0, and differentiation of minus x will give me minus 1. If we assume f to be this 1 minus x, therefore our original question would be v is equal to sine f. dv df is equal to cos f. Substituting dv df and df dx into this equation, we have that dv dx is equal to dv df is cos f, and cos f is cos 1 minus x cos 1 minus x multiplied by df dx is equal to minus 1, and this is equal to minus cos 1 minus x. Remember, our original question is y is equal to cos 3x sine 1 minus x, and our dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. We assumed u to be cos x, and we assume v to be sine x, sine 1 minus x. We've already known what dv dx is and du dx. Therefore, to find our dy dx, we substitute the whole equivalent. Our u is cos 3x multiplied by dv is negative cos 1 minus x plus v is sine 1 minus x multiplied by du dx is minus 3 sine 3x. Therefore, this will be equal to minus cos 3x cos 1 minus x plus no, minus 3 sine 3x sine 1 minus x. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching our video. Feel free to email us if you have any question at science-elearning-academy@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.